Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install LinkedIn skill tracking with Credly easy tutorial step by step clearly. To start, open your web browser and navigate to the LinkedIn website. Log in to your LinkedIn account using your credentials. Once you are logged in, click on the Me icon at the top right corner of the LinkedIn homepage. From the drop-down menu, select Settings and Privacy. On the left sidebar, click on Visibility. Scroll down to the Skill Endorsements section. Ensure that the option for Allow others to see your skill endorsements is turned on. Next, open a new tab and go to the Credly website. If you don't have a Credly account, click on Sign Up to create one. Follow the prompts to complete your account registration. After logging into Credly, locate the Settings option in the top right corner. Under the API section, find and copy your API key. Now, go back to your LinkedIn account and return to the Skills and Endorsements section. Click on the Add a New Skill button. Enter the skill you wish to track and confirm it by clicking on Add. Next, return to Credly and access your dashboard. Find the option to integrate. Paste your LinkedIn API key into the designated field. Follow the prompts to sync your LinkedIn profile with your Credly account. Once connected, select the skills you want to track. After making your selections, save your changes. You should now see your LinkedIn skills updating in real time as you add new achievements in Credly. To verify the connection, return to your LinkedIn profile. Scroll down to the Skills and Endorsements section to check if your skills are being tracked. If everything looks good, you have successfully installed LinkedIn skill tracking with Credly. Congratulations, you can now efficiently manage and showcase your skills. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.